In response to digital disruption today, many financial services are transforming to digital businesses, leveraging on opportunities to transit into a future-ready state. Let us look at the five key disruptive trends and how companies in the financial sector are responding to them. One of the key disruptive trends that is pervasive across many industries is the adoption of artificial intelligence. It involves deep learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, for example. Traditionally, data is only applied in ledgers, balance sheets, and other related documents in the accounting process. But with AI, we can discover new meaning and patterns. Companies can identify scenarios where AI can be applied to create new value from existing transaction data. For example, we can consider the creation of an AI-powered fraud detection system. It could identify patterns from past fraudulent transactions and therefore monitor for future similar patterns in future transactions. We also notice that many apps today are getting more intelligent. Intelligent apps, in short, simplify operational tasks and enable effectiveness. It provides an adaptive and personalized experience that will be commonplace in applications. It could also harness AI to create autonomous processes and immersive interfaces. It could also allow access to reliable and real-time financial advice. So what this could also mean to investors is that they can invest across currencies and boundaries. For companies in the financial sector, they could identify existing processes where intelligent apps could create a more immersive customer experience. The appeal of Internet of Things today, or IoT in short, is the ability to make static objects engaging and smart. Existing IoT devices will become more intelligent than ever and collaborate autonomously with other devices. This will create an improved customer experience where ease of use overtakes price points as a differentiator. Companies in the FI sector can implement sensors within their branches to provide customized mobile push notifications. We can also extend our reach by delivering customized loan proposals at or before a point of purchase. Companies to innovate require connected products and environments. Conversational systems are also on the rise, enable humans to interact with machines over natural language. There is potential when paired with AI or IoT. Financial institutes can use conversational systems to facilitate the collection of clients' information. This reduces the need for a physical employee while maintaining a degree of human-like interaction. We could also extend this implementation across customer touchpoints, such as the call centers. Companies could also consider its long-term investment and how existing processes will have to be re-engineered. Finally, blockchain provides a decentralized ledger for transactions. While traditional financial institutes rely on batch processing, blockchain has disruptive implications as it is instantaneous and tamper-proof. Many financial institutes are developing proof of concepts in non-traditional asset trading. This allows the expansion of offerings beyond insurance and banking. Companies in the financial sector should focus on putting blockchain to work, structuring governance, and how to integrate it into their architecture. We could also adopt blockchain as a service to jumpstart development and therefore to accelerate ahead of competitors. Whichever trend that companies in the financial industry needs to prioritize on depends on how well each of their organization needs can fit with the trend. Let us use a framework that we call a trend prioritization matrix that consists of 5 components that weigh how important the trend is to the financial institute. Any trend that has compliance with financial regulations is critical because it can be adopted without much customization to the financial industry. It also reduces the risk of regulatory non-compliance. It holds the most weightage as the industry requires strict adherence to the regulations. Trends that can give high return on investment will likely see many competitors implementing it to their advantage. Most disruptive trends require upfront investments in infrastructure or expertise. Hence, it is important to consider the viability of investments and whether benefits outweigh the cost. The cost of implementation evaluates the entry barrier in applying the technology. A low cost would likely result in more competition, possibly disrupting companies should they choose not to implement the trend. In addition, it evaluates the efficiency of trend implementation. The ease of user acquisition measures the rate of customer uptake. Secondary to the factor on cost of implementation, time is also another immediate factor to consider. The ease of acquisition will attract more competition and new entrants, and this will directly impact the company's market share if it does not implement the trend. The last trend evaluation criteria is the potential for growth. It evaluates whether the technology is still being refined or has reached maturity. A high potential indicates there are potential future disruptions. The technology could be improved or be combined with others such as IoT and big data to derive new value. It is important for any financial institute to anticipate and prepare for such trends. It has the lowest weightage relative to others because its impact is not as immediate. Today, financial institutes should beware of resting on its laurels as disruptive technologies are continuously transforming them. We need to be prepared and know how to leverage on these trends to maximize existing value and create new opportunities.